Right, welcome today, guys. Today we're going to be looking at making the setting up for the CNC of our key tag, which is a 6mm thick key tag, roughly about 60mm in diameter. So the first thing we want to do is open up your Fusion 360 and open up your key tag design. Now, once your key tag design is ready, we just basically need to set out the CNC model. So to do this, we're going to create a new sketch. So we go create sketch, turn off your component for this, and we want to draw it on the base of our model. And we're going to create a rectangle and make the rectangle 1200 by 1200, as that is the size of our CNC bed. You should be getting quite efficient at this now. You've done it a few times. We're then going to create a point, and we're going to dimension that point 25mm in from the bottom left hand corner. We're going to create a rectangular pattern of that point. So we select the point, make sure it's on spacing. We want 24 points by 50mm apart, going both ways. So it should look something like so. And then we're going to finish our sketch. What we wanted to do now is lay our key tag on that bed and position it ready to be able to be CNC cut. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our component on. We can see it's in the bottom left hand corner here, but it's not on the bed itself. We're just going to hit modify and using this arrange tool. And with the arrange tool, we can select the component we wish to arrange. Then scrolling over to envelopes, we can select the envelope in which we want to lay that key tag. Now, I'm only giving you guys a 100mm piece of timber, 100 by 100. So the frame width we want to have on our key tag here is 10mm. And that's going to bring it in 10mm from the edge, okay, and 0 on the object spacing. We might even make that a little bit smaller. Let's make it 8mm just to give ourselves a little bit more clearance around these bolt holes, because essentially I'm going to bolt it down on this point here and probably on this point here. And we're going to use a 6.35mm cutter to run around the edge. So, you know, that should give us enough clearance. Pressing OK. You can now see that your key tag is duplicated. So what we want to do is turn our original component off and leave this one on. And that's ready for CNC.